Hey, what's up guys? We're back with another video. So today we went and visited Sonic because we're in the States for back to school shopping, and we decided why the heck not make a, how do you say, mukbang, I don't know. We got these little Cinna sticks, not sure what they are. They're like little deep fried somethings. Well, this is our cream cheese frosting for our Cinna sticks.
Oh my god, that's so great. These are our French toast sticks.
I don't know what I'm touching. This is Maddie's special. It says special on it. Grilled chicken sandwich. No, crispy chicken sandwich without the chicken. Oh my god, they spilled all over the freaking bag. I've got some popcorn chickens that are on the bottom of the bag.
And we got a hot fudge milkshake and a
candy slushy with Jolly Ranchers in it. We're just gonna sit here and eat. Where's my honey mustard? They gave us mint.
wet inside.
Oh, there it is. Ketchup. They're wet inside?
Like, soggy. Sort of. Like undercooked, it feels like. Like
I know what you mean. Like spongy.
This is good. It almost tastes like real maple syrup.
It does or it doesn't?
Almost, yeah.
Did I really eat one and put it back in? Did I do that?
Maybe.
I did. Can I try that?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Is this just cream cheese?
Yeah, like frosting. Okay.
I don't love it by itself.
Balance. I want to try this in there. Oh, that worked really well. Oh. What is that?
Cinnamon?
Oh, that makes sense.
Kind of looks like poo or something.
Yeah, it does. So, adventures of the day. What did we do? We went to like a million different stores. Got a whole bunch of clothes. He got attacked by some dogs at the pet store. You probably can't really see. Focus. There's scratches on my hand and one on, because it was their teeth. It wasn't even its claws. This dog, poor little thing, is kept in a cage all the time at the pet store until it gets sold. I'm dying. Until it gets like sold to someone. I really hope they can hear us over there.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot, why is this honey mustard this color? Anyways, so they brought it out to like in the little play area so that it could play, and we were trying to pet it and it was not having it, and it just bit onto us and would not let go. So that's that.
We had a really good experience at Hollister. Their service is really good.
The guy was so rude to me, I wanted to.
I think
We should try these.
Oh, true, yeah.
I'm gonna try the hot fudge milkshake first.
Try the candy slushy.
If I can get it out. Kind of just tastes like a chocolate milkshake.
Sweet.
Did you get any chunks?
No.
Oh my god.
It's just a chocolate milkshake.
Yeah, this just tastes like green apple Jolly Ranchers. I'm gonna check and see. You can't see them. Oh no. These little crushed up Jolly Ranchers. Oh, I'm getting a brain freeze already.
I've never had a brain freeze.
Ever?
No.
Oh my gosh. The chickenless chicken sandwich. Is it good?
Yeah.
Such an awkward creation.
No.
Let's try it with cream cheese. very cinnamony.
Well, how do you think they make the inside of it?
It's like mixed cinnamon with sugar and water.
Butter or something?
Oh, probably. Oh no, I got it on my pants.
I had higher expectations for all of it, I think.
Yeah. I just, for some reason, whenever I thought about Sonic, I thought about the tater tots, and like it made me want to throw up a little bit. When I think of a tater tot, all I think about is potato tacos, and we had way too many of them when we went to Florida. So every time I think of a potato tot, that's all I think of, and it makes me want to barf.
You know what I think of when I think of potato salad?
I do. We would have got half price.
Aw.
We should get another one. Just kidding. That milkshake is actually pretty good. That slushie is a little bit of a deadly slushie. It's like all below your mouth. Pickle juice?
What?
It says pickle
No,
juice.
no! Tiger blood?
Pickle juice snow cone slushie.
Can we get one?
That's disgusting.
Just to see what it tastes like.
Ugh.
Why do they sell that?
Ow! The chicken stabbed my gums.
Ow!
So I had spit in my throat. Just like roll the back. Oh! Oh!
And you didn't think that I would hear it. But look, few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. Cause there ain't no holler back, girl. I ain't no holler back, girl. You holler back, girl.
Ah, I touched the roof. This is my last piece of chicken. You get the best piece. You want half of this? You want it?
It looks like I put the
Cause I know that it's deadly.
It looks like I put my middle finger. Said all that.
Is it too soon to do this? Cause I know that it's deadly.
I can't. That is
My reputation. Is it cool that I said all that?
Is it chill that you're in my head? Cause I know that it's deadly. Is it cool that I said all that?
What?
Is it too soon to do this?
I forgot their tongue.
how that like breaks my neck. I'm gonna shut my teeth. Are we done with these?
Yeah.
Okay, it's our garbage
Shut it
all out the window.
What if I just threw I can feel it.
Just make sure you roll. Or puke in this bag.
Oh my god, I'm actually going to.
Do you want to eat your chocolate bar?
It literally. You should open it and suck the chocolate.
Then we have trouble. So, we're gonna review each item on a scale of 1 to 10. Ew, did that just come out? So, start with your sandwich, your meatless sandwich.
I rate my sandwich a 6 out of 10. It could have been proper. It could have been.
It could have been proper.
It could have been better. Like I felt like the bun tasted like crap, and it just made the rest of it taste bad. There was too much mayonnaise, and I don't like tomatoes, so
Could have taken them off.
yeah.
My popcorn chicken was okay. Well, it was good, but like it doesn't compare to some things. The honey mustard was pretty good. So I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. And what about the French toast sticks? They tasted okay.
Yeah.
Just the texture was
The texture threw me off a little bit. It was like
maybe
like I'm eating chewed up baby food inside this.
It was just like soggy. It was like a sponge. Like you're eating a sponge.
Like it's been soaked for a while.
Probably like
eggy.
5 or a 6.
Yeah. Those cinnamon things.
I just don't like cinnamon that hardcore.
Me neither.
So I'd say like 4.
Yeah. I was gonna say 2. So.
The maple syrup was good.
Yeah, it tasted real.
This slushy, okay, it's good. It's just very overpowering.
Super.
Maybe blue raspberry and Jolly Ranchers together wasn't the best combination, but it's a cool idea and it doesn't taste horrible. I just probably won't be able to drink it all.
The milkshake was good. It's not hot fudge, but
it just tastes like chocolate.
Yeah.
For slushy, what would you rate it?
5.
I was gonna say 6, just because like it's okay. It's just way too much. And this, it's like a good chocolate shake. So like, yeah, it'd be like a solid 8, maybe 8.5.
Yeah.
But trip was it was an adventure.
Now we're gonna get pickle juice snow cones.
Are we?
Yeah. I just really want to know what it is.
Like, but what if it is pickle juice and then we just wasted our money on a pickle juice slushy?
I'll eat it.
We're gonna do it. What size do you want? Just a small?
Yeah.
Really embarrassing.
We're still here, sorry.
Instead of getting it, so I'm just gonna stick myself out the window.
I have ocean water.
What?
Ocean water soft drink.
What the heck is ocean water?
You're gonna be like, what? You're like, oh. You're gonna be like, oh, you're still here? Yeah, sorry. Well, race your order out quickly. You better.
Come on, be quick.
I'm really excited.
Can we give them this back?
Yeah, honestly.
We don't want it.
Can you please take our trash back? I need something to cleanse my palate. There's water in this.
Is there? Is it water though?
Never mind. They'd be like, okay, what the fuck? Like, we
ew. We're just gonna be dark. Do you want a little drop? Here comes the drop. Here. Okay, so
we got the pickle juice.
We got pickle juice and ocean water, and we've never had them before, so we're about to try them.
Like, I'm hoping it's really pickle juice.
I'm hoping I don't even know what I want out of this ocean water.
Oh, it's pickle juice. It's pickle.
Oh my god!
I thought it was gonna be lime.
Oh my god! Wait. Hold on. This?
What is it?
Tastes like sunscreen. Like sunscreen? A pop that is sunscreen. Let me. I gotta try this. This is gonna be nasty. It tastes like dill pickle chips. Why is that a thing?
This is super carbonated.
It's. Oh my god.
It does like taste sunscreen.
Oh my god.
Why do they make that? I actually thought it was gonna be lime, and they were just like made it a joke. Yeah, we sell pickle juice.
Did you just take a big slurp?
Yeah, like I thought it was. Oh my god.
Ew.
This tastes like 7-Up or something like that.
Yeah, I don't even know what it consists of.
That's so
weird.
weird.
Well, now we're throwing this out.
No, I'm not done with this.
You're not done with it?
No.
Are we ready to head back to the hotel?
It smells like pickles. Why do they sell pickle juice slushies?
Oh my god. We're about to drive, and I'm wondering if this is gonna fall off.
Oh, true.
Is there anybody behind me? Oh, there is a car behind me. Go! I saw you. Am I gonna hit my mirror off of that?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh my god! What? How did I get... Okay. Go forward. Okay, let's try this again.
Why do they sell that?
Okay. That was a task and a half to get out of there.
It was a good adventure.
I'm not sure if that's a parking lot. Oh, we're
something.
all unfocused.
Nah.
I feel like it's just gonna fall down.
Oh!
Are you okay? I am editing right now, and I just realized that we didn't film an outro to this video, so this is the outro. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you did, and there'll be more videos when there's more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.